Merubaili ni amono mashabiki badhato baraba itikiti chaudhari chakona mchetho ya World Cup thiguruni ya Qatar mwakoi mwa mchetho yo kambiri antuko ya kiumia hii tenare nja Qatar bakathimana Katharina team ya Ecuador.
Aya, let's go. You DJ Qatar.
You are set to enjoy a fully paid trip to Qatar to watch some of the greatest football players at the world's biggest stage. Best wishes to all of you as you embark on this journey. And for the rest of the football fans in Kenya, we've lined up exciting activities, including roadshows across the country, where fans will have the opportunity to view their favorite matches live and also to win more exciting prizes. So there's a lot of chances to keep winning exciting prizes.
My recommendation is enjoy every minute. Enjoy from the moment you leave your home, the day you are traveling, when you are right there. The game is going to be super fast, less than 2 hours. So but enjoy every minute because you are really very lucky to be there.
Ya maleto ya kwa iwa malwa mete ngobu meru and muchethi omukoro mubira still active ndechethana ngobu veterans diwa ngweretu muno kwethara nge ndea omwe abarabetete gochikebira kya magoro nara ndegoro ya Qatar to ikanya gakona game ijere emwe a group stage nenge a round of 16 emwe yana kolionga na unte goro ya Qatar go to just domestic tourism there kenda twetha na kakita gake gamuno na
William mereti maore kumeta mero muka ende oi lakini nkala Mombasa nde oi ndio musindi kweta ko Qatar bele to rongo buruba tio rongo bwedero boy onyingo ibundo na rongo lakini ndete ke no kweli
na ngwero ngochinda bambere ntitekagia muno tonto kwena amba baba ingi muno na mikore mingi leo ndona ya mchetho kino ratu etambere tokiara na area na promoters ba kana officials ba company onde jire wetikia yoma no tha iture yaja tokoyo ticket ya weta kona kibira kiu ndegoro ya Qatar.
Nashukuru kampuni ya Cocacola kwa kuwa ni kampuni pekee ile ilijaribu ambao tukaweza kupata huo ushindi. So Kenya mujisi kwamba kuna watu wameenda kuwakilisha vizuri.
David anaenda so excited.